here. Alright, as you can see, I crashed my car. So much for the planned sequel of the spinner video. Instead, we'll have to do a repair video now. I can fix most of this. It all started with some idiot slammed his brakes. I couldn't stop in time because he slammed his brakes. I don't speed, I don't tailgate. I went in depth over the story in another video. And here's the crash pictures. Yeah. And so yeah, I could fix most of it. Here comes a car. I want to pretend I don't want to be seen by other passerbys. So yeah, I need a new hood, radiator, condenser, radiator support mount. Radiator support mount. And headlights, air intake duct plastic thing. I don't know. It's for my air intake. It goes to the air box. It's easy to replace. And I gotta recharge the AC system, of course, and refill the radiator. I got a spare jug of coolant. It all cost me under $1,000, thankfully, for this car. Parts are kind of cheap for this car. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah, you can't take me off the road that easily. Let's fix it. Alright, there's people out there. Watch out. Yeah, here's all the parts. Condenser, radiator, new bumper. I don't know if I said that already. I only got the passenger side fender for now. I had to sand it again because the fucking paint dried all cracked. Do not paint in the cold weather. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, and there's the radiator support mount and a new bumper grill. The bumper has bumper by itself. It has 2 other pieces that go on it. 1, 2, yeah. I still gotta, it's all sanded and prepped. I just gotta hit it with a couple more coats of white and then clear coat. I like to go for 6 coats at least. Not too much. I've tried that in the past. Way too thick. Extra thick. Yeah. What else? Yeah. I also ordered some. I noticed my outer tie rod end was damaged. The rubber seal. I see grease coming out of it. It was the driver's side one only, but I feel like I should replace it in pairs. There's a fucking truck driving by. But yeah. All right, let's fix this shit. I'm completely broke though now. I gotta fix this shit.
perfect. Yeah, we gotta use what I got. But it's good enough to put on the car. Just waiting on it to dry now. It's by no means professional. There it is. Aesthetic-wise, it's pretty much fully repaired. Aesthetically. You'd have to really overanalyze to find any imperfections, but it's good. I did my best. I'm not a professional. Yep. Now I just gotta get the AC system recharged and then do the state inspection. Oh, but now it's time for a test drive. Let's go. Well, after the test drive, it seems the power steering pump is bad. So we'll have to change it. I already ordered it off camera. It should get here in a couple days. Yeah.
gotta do an oil change. I haven't done an oil change in over a year. Yeah, but I use full synthetic, and Scotty said it's good for up to a year if you haven't hit the mile limit for the oil yet, full synthetic oil specifically. Yeah, I haven't hit 5,000 miles yet. I haven't driven much. But yeah, but it's been there about a year, so it's time for an oil change. We are done. The car is completely fixed. Everything.